I got accepted to the Finger Painter program. Well, not really. There's this game that used to be available where you can get the stick, Atom Badge, Illustrator, and Finger Painter. It's called Project Cosmetics, and if you want to get it, you can still kind of get it. There's the new release is coming out soon, so make sure to get that. But you can get Finger Painter in the old game. You did get a mod menu. You did get a music menu. You did get a soundboard. You have this cookie clicker, all this stuff, and all that. Yeah, but I kind of got accepted to the Finger Painter program. And I also have the stick. And if you want to meet me in this game, if you have it, join Lucas VR because it's a really good game. You should download it. So thank you. I just wanted to say that get this game. It's really good. Bye.